Despite the total share price collapse, AMC may now be safe. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. Despite the significant drop in AMC share price, the company is fundamentally stronger than it has been at any point in the last 3 years at least. It's not surprising, then, that several Wall Street experts have increased their price targets for AMC following the final show of the conversion in reverse stock split. All people said Angelo covered some positive news. So there you have it. Remember, if before, when AMC was trading at $40, $50, $60, the media was not talking about the stock price, was talking about only fundamentals, no prices peaked at no way to raise capital. Now, when the fundamentals have improved, you're only going to see the media talks about the stock price down 70% in August alone, down 90% year to date. And things are getting even more interesting considering that when the fundamentals have been improved, there is a lack of edge. Being bearish and being negative on the stock itself is even meanwhile, all the current new price targets that were released for AMC stock are simply related to the fundamental value. None of the people who gave these price targets or changed their rating from sale to neutral or sell to buy or whatever. They're simply relying on fundamental clear up, the expecting stronger fundamentals for the company. This is why the recent stock price target for $45 a share, this is after reverse stock split, is coming. Very, very interesting. Seeing the stock struggling at $7 to $8 pre-actual issuing of this 40 million shares is very, very interesting. So we're expecting multiple levels of resistance to be broken and to see the stock to rise all the way to $45. And again, this is not coming from someone who is bullish forever on the company or someone who is usually either neutral or bearish on the company, giving a $45 price target. And this came in times when AMC was trading at $9 a share, very, very far from the current prices. This definitely aligns with what we heard from one of the biggest debt holders of AMC who collect payments, who actually betting was extremely bullish on the company. Looking forward, they expect AMC to be able to cut a lot of the loan's obligations and the interest payback. So this means that they are looking for strong recovery. He also expects to see all-time skybox office and results to be quarter over quarter. So seems like everyone on its side from the institutional level is expecting something good to happen and the price to move upward. Guys, I will be very curious to see the next filings from institutional investors holding AMC stock. I want to see what kind of changes, if any, appear on their portfolios, because the overhear is that the losses, current and permanent losses, that a lot of individuals have on their portfolios are probably similar for the institutional investors. So we want to see, are they going to hold on their positions throughout this particular, issuance of this additional 40 million shares, or they're going to reduce their portfolios. Remember, this is very, very interesting and important. I remind you over the weekend that people who usually from the institutions put their shares on loan and collect a very good interest for it. This interest most likely has been reduced big time from 500 to 1,000% down to around 10% borrowing rates. And also, remember, the amount of shares that usually were put on loan were 10x more, if not more than 10x. Remember, the conversion numbers didn't actually end up on the event scale. So this is point number one I'm going to be focusing on. Point number two, of course, will be the contracts now. If we presume that a lot of people think the way the rating agencies think, they most likely gonna go after the out-of-money options for the future. Maybe middle of 2024, maybe end of 2024. Looking at this particular price is around $35, $40, $45, which is very, very interesting. Remember, this is just a short-term price prediction. They might change it. They might adjust it around Christmas or after Christmas. So this is why, following the open interest in the contracts, we might actually identify where and how institutional investors are positioning looking forward for the stock. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.